Yo, what's good, guys? Another trade recap. Another 4-hour PO3. Let's get straight into it. So, where is it? Look at this. Nah, what's this? Here we go. So, coming to the day, I had put the controls on liquidity. So, coming to the day, I put we dumped overnight and NQ our previous week low target. ES still behind. One continuations to the monthly gap, or just whenever ES takes previous week low. We need to continue lower as a high time frame gap and rebalance with the daily range. Would be ideal, but obviously we are so bearish. I didn't expect the rebalance of the daily range, to be honest. We did do that though, so here we are. I have the executions here, just in case. Yeah. Executions here. We limited 0.62, but let's go right here. So I wasn't on for 9:30 open. I was actually in a meeting. I couldn't be on. But 9:30, we opened. Obviously, the shorts. Let's see. Here we are. The shorts to the monthly gap at London lows were ideal, and we did get a microcycle with this SMT, but I just wasn't on at the time. And we got a 1 minute SD. It was a great setup, but I just wasn't on. So entry probably would have been here. The RR was decent. Monthly gap just under 1 to 2, but wasn't on, so I wasn't able to take it. So once we missed the 30-minute PO3, we wait for the 10 a.m. PO3. Obviously, new 4-hour PO3. So what does 10 a.m. open do? 10 a.m. opens and just starts pumping. We have no real manipulation at this 10 a.m. open. You can see on ES, NQ, and YM. No real manipulation on this 10 a.m. candle. So we wait. We wait for it to slow down, start chopping. And what does we get an SMT. Every trade I take is based on SMT and SSMT. We get a 6-hour SMT with our previous 6-hour high. Where is it? It was this one. Yeah, previous 6-hour high, but it was bearish at the time, at least. We had a bearish one at the time. So yeah, it was this high that was the 6-hour high. Previous 6-hour high, we had an SMT with, and we had rebalanced the daily range. The daily range is all the way back here. So at the time, we rebalanced the daily range right here. So all we needed to do was go back to our 10 a.m. open, and that was it. Because now that we tapped the monthly gap, we are gonna flip bullish, or at least have a big reaction, because that was our weekly draw. So out of the monthly gap, we get a good reaction. ES rebalances. We hit true day open. True day open was a devil's mark. Those who trade quarterly theory know. Won't get too into it, but yeah, we had our daily cycle. We had our monthly bearish, which is basically just a previous week high SMT. Yeah, so we get there, get our daily cycle, and then what we see, we get a 15-minute swing divergence. So what that basically is when one asset takes a high of the previous candle and another doesn't. As you can see, NQ took this high and ES did not. ES failed to take this high. You see there. So this enables me to go down to the 1 minute time frame. Once we have all of that, I'm able to go down to the 1 minute time frame. And yeah, 10 a.m. is still unmitigated. So a 4-hour PO3, we still need valid manipulation on the candle or below it to extend us higher. So I go down to the 1 minute time frame, we got that 15-minute SD, and we start displacing. But what do I see? I see we make another micro SMT. This is called a microcycle. It's PO3 Quarterly Theory, time-based SMT as well. Previous microcycle high, we get an SMT with. You can just say this is a 5-minute right here. This high and this high with ES, as you can see. This high, this high. I won't go too deep into that, but time-based SMTs are what I trade off of, and you can see they have very good reactions. So after this displacement candle, I didn't FOMO in, or this displacement leg, I didn't FOMO in. I marked out the fib of the range because we have to come down. We have to come and rebalance this range. Everything is just a rebalance. So I limit 0.62, and my TP is where this protected high. We probably shouldn't go up to this high. Why? Because we have our daily cycle, our 6-hour SMT, our microcycle. Everything is saying this high is protected. Stop at that high, and our TP is at 10 a.m. It's that simple. This is repeatable. You can go back and check 10 a.m. When 10 a.m. opens with no valid manipulation, you just wait until the signs say that we are going to go down and tap that 10 a.m. open, or 4-hour opening, you can say. I won't put it there, but yeah, we limit it. We get tagged in. You get like a couple points of drawdown, and we just go down. Entered on MNQ, so the thing is still here. Where is it? Still here. This is the exact thing. Again, executions are right here. Yeah, I put in my journal, and this is the P&L for the day. And yeah, so that is the trade of the day. We caught like 178 points. As you can see, I marked on my chart 9-minute microcycle and daily cycle. And yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this trade recap or want to see more, all my socials are linked in the bio. Follow my Instagram, all that good stuff. And don't forget to use code LEAK at checkout for the best discount on Alpha, Tradeify, and all that good stuff, man. Trying to be consistent with these trade recaps. I found them helpful when I was learning, and once you keep watching these and keep getting consistent with them, it will just help you in the long run, right? But yeah, that's it from me. Peace out.